Welcome to iGEMBA, the ultimate application designed to revolutionize your shop floor stand-ups and Gemba walks, powered by ITHENA. Is endless paperwork and follow-ups wearing you out? Do you have trouble managing tasks assigned across the shop floor? Are you having a hard time identifying anomalies on your manufacturing floor? We can help you. With iGEMBA, you can embrace the power of digital transformation, leaving behind the cumbersome and paper-based processes of traditional Gemba walks. iGEMBA empowers users to efficiently manage their manufacturing operations with unparalleled flexibility, intuitive controls, and seamless integration. Let's look at a few features. With iGEMBA, transform your traditional processes into efficient digital workflows. Ensure an automated single view of shop floor KPIs. Escalate incidents across multiple teams. Create new KPIs with color codes and configure dashboards dynamically based on roles across departments. That's not all. With iGEMBA, you can generate actionable insights and enable real-time visibility. Create a structured cadence to effectively track and manage shop floor visits. Gain access to automatically create an action item list and assign them easily to individuals. iGEMBA enables users to standardize their checklist to resolve issues faster. Track the historic information that was once hard to reach. Leverage iGEMBA to enhance your business using trends and RCA capabilities. Promote ownership and increase visibility into individual responsibilities. Embrace iGEMBA and experience a new level of efficiency and success. Scan the QR code to visit our website or contact us to learn more about iGEMBA and revolutionize your manufacturing operations. Thank you and looking forward to partnering with you.